This is from Taiwan.
Okay.
So yeah, it's made of water buffalo's horn, and that's like a pretty standard.
Yeah.
And they say like you can protect yourself from like evil stuff, like all that stuff. Of course, those things come with it, right? And then the one I use for the head is actually a titanium.
Titanium.
And it's much denser and then heavier, so it really sinks in. And then what I did to her today is like just releasing the fascia with this like in scalp, and then the bones in between there's a fascia. So when you go like that, it actually really hurts.
Do people say ow or groan?
Oh yeah, I screamed.
She was really quiet.
She's quiet.
She's gamashiru.
So like in my case, like right here it hurts so much, and it's like actually hormone, and then my eyes are always shut, so always like around here it hurts a lot. And then there's like adrenal, like somebody has like tons of stress, like around here hurts, and always around here as well, right? So yeah, anyways, like when you do this, like the whole thing, this is something we never touch, right? And then even to abdominal, like nobody really thinks about massaging the belly. So yeah, that's the thing. Like it starts from your belly, lots of blockages, and then inflammation, and then just by letting it loose, you can actually lose visceral fat inside as well, because there's so much adhesion,
Do you give them something afterward, like recommend tea or?
Yeah. I usually give like a green barley tea.
Barley tea. Warm, cold?
Room temperature. Yeah.
So that cleanses them.
Yeah. So they can actually poop it out.
Yeah. I mean, do you tell them to resist making noise? I mean, because if it's me, I would go ah.
Oh yeah. When she came here the first time, she was in pain, and then I was shocked that she doesn't make the face this time. So I really think she's improving. Yeah, and
is it better if it's because she's improving, or is it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, if somebody really healthy comes in, or somebody with like tons of gas, like I can tell the difference of the sound between like water sound, like we trap water in our intestines, so I can tell the difference between the water sound and then the gas sound. And some people just like it, when I massage, gas either goes out from the bottom or comes out from
either
the bark,
gastric burp or flatulence. Yeah.
So unfortunately, there was one guy who needed to fart in front of me, but
that's healthy, I guess. It's natural. Right?
Yeah. But I just want the warning before it
happens. He's like, here, pull my finger. Okay, thank you.
But yeah, burping happens a lot, and then it really starts draining all of a sudden, and then you can hear that almost like when the water starts
dripping?
Draining, like kind of sound, right?
Suction, yeah.
Yeah, it makes it sound like that too.
Oh, no. All the air gaps too, though.
So yeah, and then somebody had like every time I touch her liver, she was saying like, "Oh, that hurts." And every time she comes, I was ready to tell her to go see the doctor. And after like a fourth visit, she was not in pain.
Okay.
Yeah, so it really about bringing lots of blood circulation in abdominal area, and it's good for like a conception as well. And some people have a hard time like conceiving babies.
Conceiving, baby.
Yeah, because they
don't. For the uterus?
Oh yeah, because like every organ has like a temperature, So when those areas are cold and then stagnant, it's hard to conceive. So,
yeah. Well, women their organs are bigger, right? And women are warmer.
So I was pushing around here, but it's only for women because men don't have that.
Can you help men?
Oh yeah, of course,
you do?
Yeah. And then
the same area, or I mean, the lower abdomen.
Right. Yeah. And then the more you do it, your gut motility improves, and then. It just starts healing on its own as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the facial one, you didn't do much lifting, but you were doing mostly like
it's about going in here, and then
That looks painful. But
draining. Yeah.
yeah.
It hurts, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I can do that to myself and it's hurt.
Yeah.
It's hurting. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, good stuff.
Session's over.
Yeah.